The robot vacuum market in 2025 has exploded with options claiming revolutionary cleaning technology. But choosing the wrong one means wasting thousands on a device that constantly gets stuck, misses entire rooms, or requires more babysitting than just vacuuming yourself. I've tested every major robot vacuum release over the past 6 months, running them through real homes with pets, kids, multiple floor types, and the challenging obstacles that separate genuine performers from marketing hype that looks impressive in commercials. Today, I'm revealing which robot vacuums actually deliver on their promises, which expensive flagships aren't worth the premium, and most importantly, how to avoid choosing the wrong one that turns into an expensive doorstop collecting dust in your closet. Number 5. iRobot Roomba Combo i5. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 is what I'd recommend for budget-conscious buyers wanting reliable brand recognition at $350, despite significant limitations. This entry-level combo unit features both vacuuming and mopping capabilities in one device, eliminating the need for separate machines cluttering your home. The basic navigation uses iRobot's proven navigation patterns, ensuring decent coverage, though it lacks the precision mapping that higher-end models provide. The automatic dirt disposal base empties the robot automatically after each cleaning session, reducing hands-on maintenance that budget robots require constantly. The dual rubber brushes resist tangling from pet hair better than bristle brushes that constantly jam, requiring manual cleaning, interrupting automation. What makes this appealing for iRobot loyalists is the brand reliability and customer support that budget Chinese brands cannot match for peace of mind. The app control allows basic scheduling and monitoring, though it lacks the advanced features and room-specific cleaning that premium models offer. The mopping functionality remains basic, with simple pad dragging rather than powered scrubbing that truly cleans stuck-on messes effectively. What severely limits this robot is the random navigation pattern, taking significantly longer to clean rooms compared to smart mapping robots. The battery life limits cleaning to smaller homes, with the robot requiring recharging before completing larger spaces during single sessions. I'd recommend this only for small apartments, light cleaning needs, and buyers prioritizing brand recognition over cutting-edge features and performance. Number 4. Eufy X10 Pro Omni. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni delivers impressive features at $800 mid-range pricing, creating compelling value for buyers wanting advanced capabilities affordably. This capable robot features automatic mop washing, drying, and refilling from the base station, reducing hands-on maintenance dramatically throughout ownership. The 8,000 PA suction power handles pet hair, debris, and dirt effectively across hardwood, tile, and medium pile carpet without constant struggles. The AI obstacle avoidance uses cameras and sensors to navigate around common obstacles, including cables, shoes, and pet waste, without getting stuck. The mop lifting raises pads 12 millimeters when detecting carpet, preventing wet mopping on rugs while allowing seamless transitions between floor types. What makes this compelling value is packing flagship features into mid-tier pricing that makes advanced robots accessible without spending $1,500. The self-cleaning base washes mop pads with hot water and dries them, preventing mildew and odors that plague robots with basic mopping. The app provides comprehensive control with room-specific cleaning, no-go zones, and scheduling that gives users fine control over cleaning routines. What limits this robot is Eufy's data privacy. Controversies creating concerns about security cameras potentially uploading footage without user knowledge. The customer support from Eufy doesn't match established brands, with some users reporting difficulty getting warranty service for defective units. I'd recommend this for value-conscious buyers wanting advanced features who aren't concerned about data privacy and accept occasional navigation quirks. Number 3. Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni. The Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni delivers flagship features at $1,000, creating the sweet spot between capability and pricing for most buyers. This advanced robot features dual rotating mop pads with pressure and scrubbing action that actually cleans stuck-on messes rather than just wiping. The 12,000 PA suction power represents among the strongest available, handling deep pile carpets, pet hair, and heavy debris that weaker robots leave behind. The AIVI 3D 2.0 obstacle avoidance uses structured light and AI to identify and avoid objects as small as cables, preventing the stuck situations plaguing lesser robots. The all-in-one base station handles automatic emptying, mop washing, drying, water refilling, and detergent dispensing, creating truly hands-off operation. What makes this my sweet spot recommendation is delivering premium features at pricing that makes flagship robots accessible without the 1,500+ sticker shock. The mapping creates accurate floor plans with room labels, allowing targeted cleaning of specific areas rather than entire house runs every time. What limits this robot is Ecovacs' app being less polished than Roborock, with occasional connectivity issues frustrating users during setup and updates. The obstacle avoidance, while good, occasionally misidentifies objects, causing unnecessary avoidance of harmless items, interrupting cleaning paths unnecessarily sometimes. The premium pricing approaches Roborock flagship territory, making the value proposition questionable, unless you specifically need Ecovacs' unique features unavailable elsewhere. I'd buy this as the best balance between features and price for most homes with pets and multiple floor types requiring serious cleaning. Number 2. Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro. The Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro brings established vacuum brand quality to robot vacuums at $1,500 with unique features unavailable from competitors. This innovative robot features self-emptying base that also automatically refills the robot's dustbin, allowing truly hands-off operation for months without touching anything. The Dirt Detect technology increases suction and passes automatically when detecting concentrated dirt rather than missing spots during single-pass cleaning runs. The Edge Detect uses blasts of air pushing debris away from baseboards into the cleaning path, ensuring thorough edge cleaning that robots typically miss. The hair detangling brush actively removes wrapped hair, preventing the jams that plague other robots requiring constant manual brush cleaning maintenance. What makes this compelling for Shark fans is bringing the brand's vacuum expertise and reliability to robot form factor with innovations competitors lack. The mopping system uses sonic vibration scrubbing stuck-on messes, rather than just dragging wet pads across floors like basic mopping robots. The obstacle avoidance uses 360-degree sensors, detecting objects reliably, though it lacks the camera-based AI that flagship robots use for identification. The premium pricing matches Roborock's flagship, while offering arguably less sophisticated navigation and mapping technology throughout the overall package. The availability remains limited with stock issues, and the service network isn't as established as iRobot or Roborock for repairs and support. I'd recommend this for Shark loyalists wanting innovation and hands-off operation who trust the brand's vacuum heritage over pure robot specialists. Number 1. Roborock Saros 10R. The Roborock Saros 10R absolutely dominates as the best robot vacuum of 2025 by delivering unmatched navigation, cleaning power, and intelligence at $1,600. This technological marvel features omnidirectional wheels, allowing the robot moving in any direction without turning, enabling faster cleaning and better navigation around furniture. The 22,000 Hyperforce suction provides absolutely crushing power that deep cleans carpets and handles debris that other robots simply cannot pick up. The Viberize 4.0 mopping system combines sonic vibration, pressure, and automatic pad cleaning, creating genuinely clean floors rather than just smearing dirt around. The Reactive AI 2.0 obstacle avoidance uses dual cameras with 3D structured light, identifying and avoiding 62 different object types, preventing stuck situations completely. What makes this the absolute best is Roborock's proven reliability, continuous software updates, and navigation intelligence that outclasses every competitor consistently. The self-washing base uses 60 degrees hot water washing and 45 degrees hot air drying, eliminating mildew and odors while maintaining hygiene automatically. The automatic detergent dispensing and water refilling create truly hands-off operation, allowing the robot running for months without any intervention whatsoever. The carpet detection automatically boosts suction and lifts mop pads, ensuring optimal cleaning for different floor types without manual intervention or mode switching. What makes this genuinely worth the premium is the intelligence avoiding the stuck situations, missed spots, and constant babysitting that plague cheaper robots.